Good morning, guys. Troy from the Do-It-Yourself World and the Off-Grid Project, talking about the deer I got. I have to be very careful what I say in this video, or it will be banned by YouTube as not suitable for most advertisers. I earn nothing from all my work. I requested a review. It takes YouTube up to 3 days to do a review, and by then your video has played its course. Sure, after that you might see ads playing, and that's why on other channels you see such videos with ads, but that's after it's played its course and after most of the views have come and gone, not benefiting the channel owner at all. And this is my tactical channel where of course I did show something. I won't show it here because I don't want to get this video blocked from advertising, and I won't mention anything specific. On the other video I didn't really mention much either. Let's go on over there and see what they did on my main channel. Look here. Got my deer. That's all I said. They'll probably ban this video too because I said those words. And what's been going on at the Off-Grid Project? I barely mentioned anything, and I was very careful not to say anything to set off YouTube and ban my video from advertising. Boom! Not suitable for most advertisers. Review requested. So my video will play its course. Most of my viewers will have seen it by the time YouTube gets to the manual review. And then, yep, you'll see ads playing on it, and everybody will say, well, I don't know what you're talking about. They always show ads on that type of video. Yep, after it's played its course, after most of the views have come and gone, and the channel owner has nothing from it. So there you go, guys. The real truth about what's going on here. They do strongly and strictly filter, and the channel owner loses everything. Therefore, from now on, any of my videos having to do with any unsanitary YouTube type terms and conditions will go on DIY Tube Video Community on my tactical channel, where I don't get banned or restricted. Freedom of speech rules, as long as it does not impinge on the freedom or rights of another person and you own the copyright to your video. Alright guys, just wanted to share the real deal. There it is, you can't deny. Not suitable for most advertisers, and when you watch that video you see I didn't say anything. I was so careful. I even wrote a sanitary title. I mean, got my deer. I could have got it at the grocery store. Whatever, but I tried to make it very sanitary. Nope, banned. So there it is. Talk to you later, guys. I'm going to try to move on, and I won't be showing this kind of junk on my YouTube channel because they don't want it. Go over on to DIY Tube Video Community and see Unrestricted Freedom of Speech. Talk to you later.